How to change country in Amazon app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can change the country on Amazon app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to change the country on the Amazon app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Amazon shopping application. Let's say that you want to change the country because the products you see are based on the region and the country that you choose specifically. Then what you want to do is first of all tap the three lines option from the very bottom right hand side of the screen. Then you want to scroll down here, go to this option known as settings. Once you go to settings, here you'll find an option known as country and language. Just make sure to tap on this option here. As you tap on country and language, here you can say country and region. Just select it and then select the country that you would like to choose. Once you've done that, tap on done and your country will be successfully changed in the Amazon app. This way you can change country in Amazon app. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.